Wake up. Get up. Stretch. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get up slowly. I stretch my arms. Make. Brush. Wash. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Take. Dry. Put on. I take a shower. I dry my body. I put on my clothes. Comb. Prepare. Eat. I comb my hair. I prepare my breakfast. I eat cereal and fruit. Drink. Check. Read. I drink water. I check my phone. I read a short article. Plan. Set. Pack. I plan my day. I set my goals. I pack my bag. Lock. Leave. Walk. I lock the door. I leave home at 8 a.m. I walk to the bus stop. Go. Buy. Choose. I go to the supermarket. I buy groceries. I choose fresh vegetables. Compare. Pay. Return. I compare prices. I pay with my card. I return home with my bags. Pick up. Drop. Come. I pick up a package. I drop off a letter. I come back home. Take off. Put away. Change into. I take off my shoes. I put away the groceries. I change into comfortable clothes. Cook. Eat. Wash. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. I wash the dishes. Sweep. Fold. Iron. I sweep the floor. I fold the laundry. I iron my shirt for tomorrow. Talk. Play. Relax. I talk with my family. I play with my kids. I relax on the sofa. Cat. Drive. Ride. I catch the bus. I drive to work. I ride my bike to school. Listen. Scroll. Browse. I listen to music. I scroll through social media. I browse the news. Talk. Arrive. Log in. I talk to my friend on the phone. I arrive at work. I log into my computer. Check. Type. Use. I check my email. I type a report. I use my laptop. Attend. Write. Prepare. I attend a meeting. I write notes. I prepare my lunch. Eat. Drink. Relax. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink juice. I relax in the break room. Talk. Rest. Brush. I talk with my coworkers. I rest after eating. I brush my teeth again. Shower. Wash. Read. I shower again. I wash my face. I read a book. Breathe. Meditate. Set. I breathe deeply. I meditate for 10 minutes. I set my alarm. Write. Turn off. Sleep. I write in my journal. I turn off the lights. I sleep at 10:30 p.m.